Expand your horizons. Express yourself. Music production. IXO22. Cubase. Accelerate creativity. Expand possibilities. Yamaha Creators Hub presents Welcome to Creator Hub. Music production has the potential to inspire people all over the world. The emotions you express through your music will reach someone out there who connects with them. Express your creativity with Yamaha and Steinberg. IXO22 offers pro-quality, low-latency recording at home. Cubase delivers pristine sound and a workflow trusted by creators everywhere. Let's get your music production set up ready to roll. IXO22, a mic stand, a microphone, cable, monitor speakers and speaker cable, headphones, and of course your PC. Install Cubase and the Steinberg USB driver on your computer. Connect IXO22 to your PC. Hook up to HS7s. Turn on after connecting. Plug in your headphones. Connect the microphone. Set gain to just below peak. For instruments, follow the same setup. Open Cubase, go to Studio Setup and select IXO22 as the ASIO driver. Start a new project, choose Empty. Add buses in the audio connections. Select the audio bus for each track. To add an instrument, click the plus button, then record just like before. Turn on the Record Enable button. Once you're done, click play. If you hear your recording, congrats! That's the first step into music production. Learn more on Steinberg's YouTube channel. Now, go make music! Yamaha Creator Hub website also features a variety of content related to music creation. Expand your horizons. Express yourself.